Good morning, everybody. I'm dr.Rafeeque. I was the advisor for the medical colleges in Hyderabad. I'm a social activist as well as educationist. I happen to come over here at HLC Ayurveda and Nature Cure Hospital. It's one of the beautiful hospitals which I have seen at it is in Bangalore near Electronic City. It is situated in three and a half acres of land with nice and beautiful landscaping, and there are so many huts which are given a very nice appearance. And here I have seen one of the best nature cure hospital. The doctors are excellent. They are highly qualified, and senior most doctors are taking care here.